How to fix Instagram notes. Not showing. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and ensure you've installed the latest version. Switch to a personal account. In case you are using a professional account, you need to switch it to a personal account. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. In the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines, then select Settings and Privacy. Here, look for the For Professional section and tap on the Business Tools and Controls. Scroll down and select Switch Account Type. Now, select the Switch to Personal account. Switching back to a personal account may reset your account settings and enable Instagram notes. If you still can't find the Notes feature, then switch to Professional and back to Personal account. Go back to the profile. In the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the For Professionals section and click on the Account Type and Tools. Now click on the Switch to Professional account. Click on Continue. Choose the creator type that suit you and then tap on Done. Then click on Next. After switching, immediately switch back to a personal account by following the same steps. This process might help in enabling the Notes feature. If this feature didn't enable, then you should report a problem to Instagram support. Go back to your profile, then tap on the three lines to open the Settings. In this menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the More Info and Support section. Then click on the Help. In the menu, tap Report a Problem again, and write a message to Instagram support. In your message, explain that the Instagram Notes feature isn't showing up for you, and request them to enable it for your account. And that's it.